Alright, so what we have here is this little Panzer II Luchs. So I'm gonna take this piece, the tracks, they are good. That little cylinder there. The rest needs a little bit of cutting. So take your clippers and begin that process. Just carefully do that. Alright, so you can see how that was done. Hey, that is that. Careful with that process, of course, especially in the smaller scales. This is the other turret, the other gun. We're just enjoying this process of clipping away. Okay, that's done. Alright, very good. Last thing to clip away for this kit. Alright, done with the clipper. Let's start to glue things together. So what you can do is visually inspect here. This will go in the front. So as you can see, this piece should be going like that. So that's the first step. Let's get some glue down here. And just get this in the middle. Like so. Just get it in the middle. Great, so that was the first gluing step for this tank. So now let's go ahead and get some glue here. And let's put on this front piece. Great. So we got that done. Why don't we go ahead and put the back piece on now. Let's get this back piece glued on. There you go. So let's let that dry for a bit. Let's fiddle with these turrets. Just put some glue down, put the cylinder there. So that's done. And then this one is the same way. Let's do the simple part first. Cylinder tried to escape. Alright, so that's done. Now let's put some glue here. Whoops, that was. And then put this here. Now, this one you will have to make sure it's shaved down enough to actually fit in there. Okay, it fit in there. So let's just put a little bit of dab of glue. Great. Long gun, the short gun. Now while those turrets dry, let's go ahead and let's get some glue down here. Now. Nice. So now let's do this other side. Good. So that body of that tank is done. Let's put that little turret in there. And then we got the other turret. Available at miniaturetanks.com.